In this video, I'll show you the main features of the student profile on Edvento. Let's get started. When you log in as a student, you may first see a pop-up announcement. Students and teachers may see different announcements because each one is designed for a specific audience. Close the pop-up to open the student dashboard. To change the website language, click the globe icon in the header and select your preferred language. The interface will then appear in the selected language. At the top of the student dashboard, you can see the student's profile picture, name, username, current level, and total experience points. Students earn experience points by completing activities and other tasks on Edvento. Every 1,000 experience points increase the student's level by 1. Below the profile information are 2 areas for entering codes. To join an activity, enter the activity code shared by your teacher and click Join. To join a class, enter the class code and click the button to join. The class will then be added to your student profile. Now scroll down to see the Achievements, Student Timetable, My Classes, and Assignment sections. The Achievement section shows the badges earned by the student. Badges are awarded for completing activities, earning points, reaching milestones, and performing other tasks on the platform. The student timetable is created automatically using the schedules prepared by the student's teachers. For example, if different teachers add physics, mathematics, and chemistry lessons to their class timetables, these lessons will appear together in the student's timetable. Students can see the day, lesson period, class, and teacher for each lesson. They cannot edit the timetable, but they can print it when needed. The My Classes section shows all the classes the student has joined. Students can open a class to view more information and access its content. The Assignment section is organized into 4 categories: Today, Previous, Upcoming, and Completed. Today shows assignments scheduled for the current day. Previous shows earlier assignments that have not yet been completed. Upcoming shows assignments scheduled for a future date. Students may complete them early if the teacher has made them available. Completed shows the student's assignment history and helps Edvento prevent students from earning the same rewards by completing an activity more than once. Other pages, including Discovery, Library, Tutorials, Edvento Play, Contacts, and Ambassador, are available to both students and teachers. You can watch our general Edvento features tutorial to learn more about these shared pages. Now, let's look at the student's personal profile. Click the profile picture in the upper right corner of the website. A menu will appear showing the username and the profile and logout options. Click Profile to open the student profile page. The left column displays general information, such as the profile picture, username, name, email address, nationality, birthday, gender, and language preference. It also contains additional profile and account settings. The right column displays the student's progress, including completed missions, earned badges, and current experience status. To change the profile picture, click the pencil icon next to the current picture. Students cannot upload personal photographs. Instead, they can select one of the available profile icons. Choose an icon, and it will be saved automatically. Now click Profile Settings. In the pop-up window, the student can change the username, first name, surname, middle name, and displayed name. The displayed name is the name other users will see on the platform. Students can also update the About section, birthday, nationality, and gender. After making the necessary changes, click Save Profile Changes. Now open Account Security. To change the password, enter the current password followed by the new password twice. Students can also freeze or delete their accounts. Freezing an account temporarily hides the profile from other users while keeping the account and its information in the system. Deleting an account permanently removes the account, including its information and progress. A deleted account cannot be recovered. Finally, let's look at Switch Role. This feature converts a student profile into a teacher profile. It can be useful if a teacher accidentally created a student profile, or if a former student later becomes a teacher and wants to continue using the same account. Click Switch Role to begin. An information window will explain what the user will gain and what will be removed after switching roles. Read this information carefully. When the account is converted into a teacher profile, student-related information, including achievements, badges, joined classes, and classmate connections, will be removed. If you agree, click Continue, enter the account password, and click Confirm Switch. The account will be converted into a teacher profile, giving the user access to Edvento's teacher features. That is everything you need to know about the main features of the student profile. Students can join activities and classes, monitor their progress, and switch to a teacher profile when necessary. Thank you for watching.